Good morning, Central Alabama. Welcome to today's weather briefing. We are on a one-a-day video schedule as Spann is out this week on vacation. Here's what I have in today's briefing video. Today, a dry easterly flow will keep Central Alabama dry and less humid. Expect a mix of sun and clouds throughout the day, with afternoon highs ranging from the upper 80s to the lower 90s. On Juneteenth, we'll maintain the dry streak as drier air continues to move in. Although it may be cloudy at times, no rain is in the forecast. Highs will again reach the upper 80s to the lower 90s. On Thursday, temperatures will rise a few degrees warmer with afternoon highs in the upper 80s to the mid-90s. We will stay dry with mostly sunny skies, making it feel like summer on the first official day of summer. On Friday, temperatures will increase slightly with most areas experiencing highs in the lower to mid-90s, and a few spots reaching the upper 90s. The dry weather continues with sunny skies. For Saturday, hot and dry conditions persist with sunny skies and highs in the mid to upper 90s for most of Central Alabama. On Sunday, moisture will start to build, increasing humidity levels. Expect sunny skies in the morning with clouds developing in the afternoon due to the increased moisture. Despite this, we'll stay dry with highs in the lower to mid 90s. Looking at Monday, skies will be mostly sunny to start the day, but as daytime heating occurs, clouds will build, leading to a good chance of scattered showers and storms in the afternoon. Some of these storms could be stronger with gusty winds. Highs will be in the mid to upper 90s. It is too early to determine if there will be any severe weather at this point. And looking ahead, the last week of June might bring more active weather, especially if the European models predictions of potential tropical activity midweek are accurate. Now, let's look at the tropics. Potential tropical cyclone number 1 formed on Monday afternoon and is expected to bring heavy rains and coastal flooding to northeastern Mexico and Texas starting on Tuesday. A tropical storm watch is in effect for the Texas coast from Port O'Connor to the mouth of the Rio Grande, and the northeastern coast of Mexico south of the mouth of the Rio Grande to Boca de Raton. This means tropical storm conditions are possible within the watch area within 48 hours. The system is moving north-northwest and is expected to continue this motion through Tuesday. It is likely to turn west-northwest by Tuesday night or Wednesday, approaching the western Gulf Coast late Wednesday. Maximum sustained winds are near 40 miles per hour, and the system is forecasted to become a tropical storm by Wednesday. Expect 5 to 10 inches of rainfall across northeast Mexico into southeastern Texas, with up to 15 inches in some areas, potentially causing flash and urban flooding, river flooding, and mudslides in higher terrain areas of northeast Mexico. Tropical storm conditions are possible in the watch area by Wednesday. Storm surge potential includes Sargent, Texas to Sabine Pass, Texas at 2 to 4 feet, Galveston Bay at 2 to 4 feet, the mouth of the Rio Grande, Texas to Sargent, Texas at 1 to 3 feet, and Sabine Pass, Texas to Vermilion Cameron Parish Line, Louisiana at 1 to 3 feet. Formation chances are at 80% through the next 48 hours and through the next 7 days. In the southwestern Atlantic Ocean, we're monitoring an area of cloudiness and thunderstorms several hundred miles east of the Bahamas. This is associated with a surface trough and an upper-level low-pressure area. While environmental conditions might allow for some gradual development, the system is expected to move westward or west-northwestward, approaching the southeastern U.S. coast by Friday. The chance of formation through the next 48 hours is low at 10%, and the chance over the next 7 days is also low at 20%. Meanwhile, in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico, another broad area of low pressure is expected to develop this weekend. Early next week, conditions could become conducive for gradual development as it moves slowly northward or northwestward. The chance of formation through the next 48 hours is near 0%, but it increases to 20% over the next 7 days. That's your weather forecast for the next 7 days, Central Alabama. I'm meteorologist Scott Martin. Bill Murray will have your next video out on Wednesday. Stay safe and God bless.